how's it going today? Well, what the hell are we doing? We're
fucking the dog.
Fucking the dog?
He's not supposed to be driving. I'm gonna beat him with his crutch.
CP and I are doing a delivery. We got the steel on our trailer, and with the storm that's coming, the guy that's getting the stuff is going to want the stuff so that he can continue to play in his yard and build stuff, so on and so forth. So we're doing a delivery. When we get to his place, we'll bring you back, and you'll find out who the hell we're delivering to. Right now, it's not... The wind is starting to pick up a little bit, but it's not bad. It's, I don't know, what do you think the wind is? 20K? 30K maybe?
No, it's probably about 40.
You think it's 40?
Yeah.
But it ain't snowing yet, so that's a positive. And the roads, the highways are clear, so let's just hammer down and get her done. So we'll catch you guys later. Alrighty guys, well, we're at our destination. Some of you might recognize it, some of you might not, but just so you know, I was hauling shit out of here this past fall. So yep, we're at Straight Pipe Acres place. Part of this load of pipe that we picked up was for old Straight Pipes. So, and I really don't know where he wants it unloaded. I'm gonna guess back over here someplace. So yeah, where should we fucking park this thing, babe?
By the shop?
Well, no, because he doesn't have room right at the shop. So we'll just park her right here, and I'll get a hold of him, and we'll go from there. We'll talk to you guys later. Army! Fucking Army's going!
How you know?
Not so bad!
Fuck is that deep back there? Hard too, it just comes out like icebergs.
Yep.
What do you want to do? Just push them off or what?
I think so, yeah.
I might get my smooth bucket or what?
Whatever you want to do, as long as you don't take the fucking deck with it.
Not all the deck.
Not all the deck, exactly. Alright, we gotta get this shit unloaded, so we'll talk to you guys later.
Take that home with you.
Don't take the deck off. CP's guiding them. That's one way of getting them off.
As soon as that bundle goes, that's her, eh?
That's it.
Fuck on the road.
Trailers are rocking. You know what they say? If the trailers are rocking, don't come knocking.
I think that's the wrong kind of knocking.
Whose video is that on? Ain't mine. What happens when you get married?
Alrighty, we are unloaded. We'll let you guys go. I got a phone call. Alrighty guys, well, that so-called storm, it's here. We're getting hit again. And this time, it's the whole friggin' province, like from north of Saskatoon all the way to the US border. Every highway is closed. And unfortunately, our son-in-law, after he left here, he had to make a stop in Regina, and then he left Regina, and he was going home to Weyburn on number 6 South, and the storm hit him, and he hit the ditch, and he's still sitting there. and then it's 8 o'clock. His battery on his phone is almost dead, so I'm not phoning him. And yeah, I just told him, well, stay in your truck. When you get hit with a storm like this, if you hit the ditch, stay with your vehicle, in the vehicle, lights on, flashers going. That's the safest place for you. So they did phone Tristan, our son, who lives in Regina, and he made it to the new bypass area on the outside edge of the city, which is only like 3 miles out of the city. And he turned around and went back. He said he couldn't see. He hit the ditch once. He just kind of glided into it. He said there's well over 50 vehicles in the ditch from the edge of the city to that bypass. Maybe it's 4 miles, but that'd be all it is on the south side. So I'm sure Dustin will be fine, but now they closed, since he hit the ditch, they closed every highway in the country. So no tow trucks are going to go out. Up here we have, it's kind of mandated or whatever. When the highways are closed, no emergency vehicles of any kind, first responders, tow trucks, ambulances, police, fire, nobody goes out in this weather when it's bad. So if the highway's open, then they'll go, but if the highway is actually closed due to weather, they don't go out. So Dustin, stay safe. We got our fingers crossed for you, and I'd cross mine, but here. There, my fingers are crossed. So stay in your truck and mind your P's and Q's. Keep it running. You got lots of fuel. That way you got heat. So anyway, guys, we'll talk to y'all later. Have a good evening. We'll see you tomorrow. Well, good morning, everybody. What's it like out there?
It's windy.
It's windy?
It's snowing in.
It's snowed in?
Yeah.
There's some big snow banks?
Yeah.
Yeah. I saw the one that you walked through right here by the house.
That's nothing.
What's it like at the shop?
It's snowed in.
Like how
I had a
bad?
shovel to get in the shop.
It's up high. Oh, yeah, I don't think we're supposed to be going to Regina today for my doc appointment, and I don't think that's going to happen. Our son-in-law Dustin, like I was saying last night, I think I said something where he hit the ditch just south of Regina. Well, he spent the whole night in his truck, sitting in the ditch. He finally got out this morning. There was somebody that was on the road and gave him a bit of a tug, and he just spent the last hour, which is normally like a half-hour drive from where he was. But he just spent the last hour trying to get home. He's not quite home, but he's only a mile and a half from home. There is vehicles apparently everywhere. You can't go anywhere without vehicles being in the ditch or parked in the middle of the road due to this storm that hit us last night. And the highways are all still closed. And so I guess it's a snow day. It's a home day.
We have to push snow.
Gotta push snow.
I just did that.
Well, you bring the tractor up, because I don't know if my fucking fat ass will get through the snowbank with a bad knee right now. But if you get the tractor to here, I'll push snow. I'll clean it all out.
I was thinking to start the Bobcat too.
So it's gonna be an interesting fucking day.
Well, as long as we don't kill each other.
Oh, we won't kill each other.
I might beat on you a bit.
I'll make sure the crutches are in my hand. Okay, guys. we'll bring you along a little bit later on, just to see how things go, but we'll talk to you all later. What the hell is my wife doing? She's nuts. I swear. She's nuts. She's lost her marbles. I know what she's doing. She's trying to make it easier for her fat hop-along husband. And she doesn't want a shovel, and nor do I. And that's the sidewalk. Oh, little Red's getting a workout. Little Red's getting a workout. And, yep, we are going to our doctor's appointment today. We had a couple of phone calls, and the guy said, roads are clear. The vehicles that were stranded are gone. So we're going to make our way in and have the doc investigate what's going on. I think I know what he's going to say, and that's rest and relaxation and don't stress it. So I'm sure that's what's going to end up coming. But anyway, we'll find out, and I'll bring you guys along for the ride. Talk to you later. Well, we're on our way in to Regina for this damn doctor's appointment. Like, the railroad track is snowed in. I haven't seen snowbanks like this out here in these ditches for years. It's been a long time since these ditches have been this full. Oh, here we go. A couple vehicles. We've seen where vehicles were in the ditch and pulled out. Here's a vehicle in the ditch here and a semi-truck farther ahead. Yeah, he ain't getting out of there anytime soon. Not that minivan. Windows down and nobody's in it. Stuck. I don't know if he's still in there. I didn't see no flashing lights, did you? No. She was a doozer of a snowstorm, guys. CP is telling me that we're gonna have to spend a day or two just moving snow away from the buildings.
Oh, it's horrible.
Let's get this knee fixed up so I can get back at her, right? I'm wearing my brace.
Give him a shot of freaking cortisone right in the knee. I'm gonna watch you scream like a girl.
You're so kind.
I'm kidding. I'm just joking.
Oh, there's the Department of Holiday. Right there, Department of Holidays. Alrighty guys, I'll bring you back when we get to the city. Talk to you then. Oh, this ought to be fun. I was already in here, gave him my paperwork, so now it's just hurry up and wait. I'm early. So we'll find a chair and we'll just sit around and do nothing. I wonder if the doctor's gonna appreciate me friggin' videoing him and showing the world about this. We'll find out soon enough. Talk to you guys later. And hurry up and wait some more. But this time we're on a gurney, stretcher, bed, whatever you want to call it. There's lots of activity behind me. But I don't know how long I'm going to be sitting in here for, but fun, fun, fun. Alrighty, well, we're done here. He came, he saw. He's ordering an MRI. He believes it's a meniscus injury. So we'll get our MRI and go from there. Let's find out where CP is and see about getting the heck out of the city and back home. We'll talk to you guys in a bit. So with follow-up, I can pretty much guarantee you what's going to happen here, and it's continue to slowly put more weight and weight on the leg, exercise it, keep bending it as much as I can with improvements every day. Slowly wean myself off the damn crutch, and that's it. It's he is 100% sure that it's a meniscus injury, and the MRI will confirm it. There's lots of pain. What do you call them? I don't know what they call them. I'm not a doctor. Those little nerves, pain nerves in the meniscus, and he said if you injure it, you'll know right away. So that's where we're at. So take it easy, don't push it too hard, but yet push it to try and use it as much as we can, as quick as we can. Anyways, yeah, fun, right? Now we get to get out of here. And that would be CP in front of me. I can't walk that fast. What? Come on, Hoppy. So, okay, let's get the hell out of here, guys. We'll catch you all later. Yeah, the tow trucks will be busy today, pulling vehicles out everywhere. There, he's out getting pulled out. Got a couple in the ditch right here. Actually, this one looks like he got hit. And we're going over here. Got to load up on some water jugs. So, what's the big smile about? You buying a tractor? That one right there?
No.
Yeah.
It has an hourglass.
It has a who?
Hourglass.
They all have that now.
Piece of shit.
They all have that.
I don't see any other tractors here.
It's all combines.
How come he's allowed to park there?
Because he owns the business. Okay, guys. We gotta get our water and we'll talk to you later. Alrighty, guys. Well, I'm in the tractor. CP's checking on some shoring stuff at the barn. I'm at the barn, actually. So the alleyway here is actually pretty clean, but those 5 cows must have came into the corral last night and stayed here for the night with that storm, and now they can't get out. We got to get this friggin' snowbank that's 8 feet high, 9 feet high, the hell out of the way. So that's what I'm doing right now. So yeah, I'm not gonna expect CP to friggin' deal with this kind of bullshit. And it's friggin' packed in here hard, let me tell you. Little Red here, he usually can push one fuck of a pile of snow, but this stuff is so friggin' heavy and hard packed in there that I gotta friggin' take it out by the bucket load. It's like shoveling, only with a friggin' tractor, right? You need a payloader. We got some snow this year, that's for sure, but it's worse than anything. It's not even the snow that we're getting, it's the friggin' wind that is just constant, blowing it in, filling things in. You just can't seem to get away from that friggin' wind that's blowing constantly on us. So But I could just imagine what we're gonna find out when we go to the pasture to actually check on the cows out there, because CP didn't do it this morning. So, and that's no problem. She had enough going on this morning when she went outside. So we got our appointment dealt with. You guys know that. You saw me do that. And now we're home and we got to deal with this stuff. So I'm going to let you guys go. I'm going to keep at it as best I can. And we'll get things opened up, and we'll take a bale or two out to them cows in the pasture, and hopefully everything is good out there. But I'll start with this right here for now. So I'm gonna let you guys go. We'll talk to you later. This is freaking crazy, guys. Like, the windbreaks, I'm sure, well, they did their job. They're breaking wind, but they also, just the way that wind was so powerful with the snow that was coming with it, dumped that snow right on this side in their bedding pack area. The cows look okay. We brought them a bale and unrolled it. We're just checking to see if there's a cow fucking trapped in behind. From what we can see, I don't see no cows trapped behind there. It did move two of the windbreaks.
That was wild.
The two in the very middle are bowed inward some.
That was a while ago.
Was it?
It was like that when I bedded.
Oh, from the last storm we had.
Yeah.
But their friggin' feed bunks are probably full of fucking snow.
I had them full.
They're not full no more. Between the bale and, well, what's in here, I can move. They're not, no, but we got to get the snow out of there. We're gonna have to move these bunks.
Well, leave the bunks for now. I'll just shovel the snow out.
I'm not gonna make you shovel the snow out.
I've done a lot worse.
I'll move the bunks, and the cows can rummage in it and eat what they want, and then we'll get rid of it. Push it out of the way. It's not that big a deal, babe.
Push the snow first.
I'll bring you guys back once I get these bunks out of the road. Talk to you then. There, we got the feed bunks moved. Yeah, it looks like there's lots of snow, but there's quite a bit of feed mixed in with that snow. And these girls will come and rummage in this snow and clean it up. But we got to do something about these windbreaks. This ain't going to be fun. We're going to have to push snow to get to the windbreaks to dig them out of there. This ain't going to be fun.
Can you drag them or no?
Well, you can if they're not froze down. We could drag the hook onto the end and drag them, kind of.
You can try it on this one. I'll go and chain it.
So, just to get it out of there, but
You want the chain hooked to it?
those two further in over there, the snow is sitting on top of them, and I don't want to rip the freaking bases off.
You want the chain hooked up to the windbreak?
You go unchain them, and I'll think about the situation for a minute.
Yeah, you think about it.
We'll get those suckers moved. Right now, what I'm leaning towards, we'll rotate where we're feeding over there, where all that snow is pushed. I'm going to set the windbreaks up over there, and tomorrow we'll bed everything down heavy, and we'll move the feed area to out over here. That would work too. So I don't know if CP is going to be able to unchain those. The snow is hard enough. She can climb it. If she was there she is. She's on top of the snowbank. If she had a toboggan, she'd go tobogganing. It ain't working too good. Alrighty, guys, I'm gonna let you go. We'll talk to y'all later. No, I don't. Yeah, we have to get in here and dig this freaking snowbank out, which is right up here, as high as, well.
This was my snow hill.
This was your snow hill.
I had plans.
You had plans? Well, did I wreck them?
Yeah.
Well, you can still dig a tunnel. I partially dug it. You just go straight into the side of it now.
No, I want a big one.
I got a bigger one at home for you.
Yeah, but that's man-made.
Nope.
Hey, dude. Look.
Yep. The friggin' footses are... There it is. Good thing this McCormick lifts like fucking 30 feet in the goddamn air.
Yeah. This will be nice to my tractor.
Oh. Where are we putting this one?
North.
North? Okay. That's where you really, where's those red tubs? Okay. Really think it'll be the best.
Yeah. We should go tobogganing off the roof of the barn.
It'd be you'd go quite a ways off the roof.
I think I still have slippery carpets.
We just about got this cased, guys. Once I set her down into place, I'll bring you all back, okay? Come on, girls, you got to get out of the road.
Move it.
Yeah.
Okay, let me out.
My little cows are...
Let me out.
CP wants out to start chaining. I think I'm going to have to push that one. That storm was not nice. These friggin' windstorms we've been getting have not been nice to my cows this year. Anybody in this neck of the woods, in this province, can justify to that. But this will be a good spot, maybe. It's never really blown in here. And now with that ridge of snow that I've made on the other side, maybe this will be a good spot. And we can keep our feeding area still. There we go. Give that a try. I don't know what the hell she's dancing about, but she's trying to tell me something, I'm thinking, but I'm not sure what. I gotta move that one right there. It's not quite in the right spot. The chain ain't long enough to get around that 12-inch hole, 12-inch gap. And so oh, you bugger. It's riding up on something. I'll bring you guys back in a bit.